Okay, so this is the graphing on the LCD screen. So what it does is like it gets it does a get request. Well, first it gives you like a little bit of options. Click once to graph voltage, twice to graph current, 3 times graphs resistance. So we already have some data in our database. So I'm just gonna graph what we have so far. So when we graph voltage, we get something like that. And then if we want to graph current, it's a double click and we get something like that. Graphing resistance gives us this. I can go back to voltage just by clicking again. And you might notice like there's some gaps in between. And the reason for that is it just becomes 0 if, what's it called? Yeah, it's just 0 if like the dot is supposed to be like here, but you can't really see it. And that just means it's 0. And it could be 0 for 2 reasons. Either it's actually 0 or there was just no information at that point. And so we just pretend that it's 0 at that point. And then, so like, let's go to something that's not that populated. So like current, right now we only have 3 points, but we can add more. If we do like current equals 2, and then let me post it, and then let me add a couple more values. 5, 12, oh, that might be an issue. 1, 6, 5. Okay, so I've added a little bit more values to our database. And now let me see, oh wait, no. Let me go to voltage and then let me graph current again. As you can see, there is some gap because I was inputting some other values in between here, but as you can see, it now graphs current. And yeah, so this is graphing. I guess I could do resistance as well, just to show that it works for resistance as well. Resistance. So I'll add some more values. I think I spelled it right. Yeah. 2, oh, I could add 5 again. 8, 3, 4, 1, 6, 2. Okay. Okay, so then let me. Okay, and so we included the new values that we inputted as well as old ones. And so it does what we want, which is good. So yeah, that is graphing on the LCD.